Good morning, everybody. Last time we have to take some numerical problem for this first unit and first chapter, unit and measurement. The numerical problem in this chapter is very simple and very easy for you when you have to study lightly hard. So, student, remaining numerical problem I will take now. So, our third problem. A student measures the diameter of the bulb 3 times using vernier caliper. This is 2.35, 2.36 and 2.31 centimeter. Estimate the error. So first we have to see what we have to given in the problem. So we have to given in the problem measurement, 3 measurement of the instrument. So that is 2.35 plus 2.36 plus 2.31 upon 3. So that is equal to 2.34. Then average absolute error, we will take 0.01. This value coming from subtract 2.34 and from 2.35. Then from 2.36 subtract 2.34, that is 0.02. Then 2.36 subtract 2.34, so we get 0.03 upon 3. So our average absolute error 0.02 centimeter. So our formula for percentage of error, average absolute error upon average diameter into 100. So average absolute error we have to know 0.02 upon 2.34 into 100. So our answer is 0.85. This numerical problem, I will revise this. This problem I will take previously. So second problem, our next problem, convert the following value. Suppose 5.8 gram equal to 5,800 gram, because 1000 gram equal to 1 kg, and therefore we have to multiply it by 5.8 into 1000. So our answer is 5,800 gram. Then 50 microfarad equal to 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. This value 50 microfarad we have to divide it 1 lakh, and therefore we get 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Then 5 picofarad equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 9 farad. So here is 5 into 10 to the power minus 9. We have to multiply, and this is our value in the farad, 5 into 10 to the power minus 9. Then 2 into megahertz, that is 2 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. So hertz is the name of scientist. So 2 megahertz, HERTZ, equal to 2 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. Then 100 megawatt, that is equal to 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 watt. So 100 into 10 to the power minus 3, it means that 100 divided by 1000. So we get 0.1 watt. Then 90 centimeter equal to 90 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So that is equal to 0.9 meter. In this case, we have to divide it by 100, because 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, and therefore 90 centimeter upon 100, that is equal to 0.9 meter. So then next problem, if the length of the cube is 2 centimeter, its volume will be. So in this problem, length of the cube we have to given, that is 2 centimeter. Then we know that the formula for volume of the cube is L cube, that is L into L into L. So we can write this volume of the cube equal to L into L into L. So value of L we have to given 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 8 centimeter cube, and this is the volume of the cube, 8 centimeter cube. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. The next problem, state the number of significant figure in the following. We have to given our problem 0.3 times 07. So here is one significant figure, 2.64 into 10 to the power 4 kg. Here is three significant figure, 0.2370 gram per centimeter cube. Here is four significant figure. Then 6.230 J. Here is four significant figure, and 6.032 Newton per meter square. Here is four significant figure, and 0.3 times 0.6032 meter square. Here is also four significant figure. So in case of 0.3 times 0.7 equal to one significant figure, because all the zero occurs after decimal point and before non-significant figure 7. So these three are not significant figure, only 7, that is only one significant figure. After that, 2.64 into 10 to the power 4, here is 10 to the power 4, this is remaining value. So here is 2.64, here is only three significant figure. Then the 0.2370 gram per centimeter cube, here is 2370, this four significant figure. 6.230, here is also four significant figure. 6.032, here is also four significant figure. Then 0.3 times 0.6032 meter square, here is also four significant figure, and 0 is not significant, keeping your mind. Then round up the three significant digit, here is 0.02739 kilometer. So I can write only three significant digit, so 0.274, because here is 9, so 9 drop, and we can increase this value 3 by 4, so 0.274 kilometer. Then 7.075 into 10 to the power 9 second equal to 7.08. Here is this 7, we can drop this value 7, because here is last digit is 5, and therefore we can write 7.08 into 10 to the power 9. Yes. Then next numerical problem, find the significant figure, the surface area and volume of the sphere whose radius is 3.4 centimeter. So surface area equal to 4 pi r square. So this 4 into pi, this is 3.14 value of the pi, and r is we have to give 3.4 into 3.4. So our answer is 145.19, that is 145.2, because here is last digit is 9, and therefore we have to drop 1 and increase 1, so that is 145.2. And therefore in this value 145.2, here is four significant figure. Then volume of the sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula for volume of the sphere. So we have to put the value of pi 3.14, and r is 3.4 into 3.4 into 3.4, because here is the r cube in the formula. So our answer is 164.55. So in this value 164.55, here is 5 is significant figure. Significant figure is 5 in this value, volume of the sphere. Then find the number of significant figure. We have to give 0.06900. 0.06900. So in this case 0.06900, here is four significant figure, because this two zero that is in the occurs before non-significant figure 6 and 9. So these 2 0 are not significant, and this 0 after coming the non-zero significant figure, that is 0 0. So these two 0 are significant, and therefore in this value or in this number 0.06900, here is 4 significant figure. So this 4 significant figure in your previous numerical problem, find the significant figure, the surface area and surface volume, whose radius is 3.4, we have to give on. This is the radius of the sphere and volume we have to give on, and calculate or find out the surface area and volume of sphere first, and then we have to find the significant figure for each surface area and each volume of sphere. So this is our answer. So this is our problem. And next problem, the mass of the object. The mass of the object is 54.22 plus 0.02 kg. Find percentage of error of the measurement. So we have to give an average absolute error 0.02 and average value 54.22 and find the percentage of error. So percentage of error is question mark. So percentage of error, we know that our formula for percentage of error, average absolute error upon average value into 100. Average absolute error upon average value into 100. So in symbolically, del x upon x into 100. So 0.02 upon 54 into 22 into 100, and therefore our answer is percentage of error 0.036%. 0.036%, and this is the percentage of error. So student, in this way you solve, you practice in your home for this type of numerical problem, because in first chapter or first unit and measurements, very simple problem and easy problem, those asked in your online examination. Already this chapter is very simple, parameters is very simple. Again I revise shortly. Units, those standard we have to use to measure the physical quantity is called unit. Requirements of unit, here is 3 to 4 requirements. So that is very useful in this chapter. Then physical quantity. So physical quantity are two types: fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantity. After that, definition we will see later on. I will see this physical quantity definition and fundamental quantity and explain previously. After that, system of units. There is different type of system. Already you have to know SI system, MKS system, CGS system, FPS system, and physical parameter we have to consider each and every system, and their units also consider, or we have to explain previously. After that, error, dimensional, quantity, dimension formula, and how we have to calculate dimension formula, how we have to find out the dimension or dimension formula for the given physical quantity. After that, we have to see the significant figure and some numerical problem I will take here. So student, my friends, practice make a man perfect. So now I stop here. Thank you very much.